रोज एक सवाल।
सवाल सॉल्व करने के बाद वो बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर देना। रोज सवाल का नोटिफिकेशन तुम्हें मेल बॉक्स में आ जाएगा। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन।
Strength of a salt solution is P% if 100 ml of the solution contains P grams of the salt. Alright, now there are three salt solutions A, B and C. Let's say the concentrations are small a, small b and small c. They are mixed in the proportion 1 is to 2 is to 3. So if they are mixed in the proportion 1 is to 2 is to 3, what will be the concentration? The concentration will become A plus 2B plus 3C upon 6. That is given as 20%, so 0.2. 0.2, so we can say that A plus 2B plus 3C is equal to 1.2. Let's say that this is our first equation, right? Now if instead the proportion is 3 is to 2 is to 1, so then it has 30% strength. So then if we take 3A plus 2B plus C, the concentration will become 3 is to 2 is to 1 divided by 6, that is given as 0.3. So therefore we can say that 3A plus 2B plus C is equal to 1.8. Now if we subtract 1 from 2, if we subtract 1 from 2, we will get 2 times A, 2B and 2B will cancel, minus 2 times C is equal to 0.6. So we can say that A minus C is equal to 0.3. So what we can do is, see, we have two equations and three variables. To solve that, we can express two variables in terms of one variable. So let's express B and C in terms of A. So C will become 0.3 minus A. Let's find out B also in terms of A. Let's find out B also in terms of A. So what we have to do is substitute C here. So this becomes A plus 2B plus 3C. Plus 3C becomes 0.9 minus 3A is equal to 1.2. Right? So now if you actually have a look at this, so this becomes 2B and minus 2A is equal to 1.2 minus 0.9 is 0.3. So B becomes A plus 0.15. B becomes A plus 0.15. Now what we have to do is ratio of strength of D to that of A. So we have found out B and C in terms of A. Now we have another solution which is D. Now D has B and C in the ratio 2 is to 7, right? So B and D in the ratio 2 is to 7. So if you take B here, becomes 2A plus 0.3, and if you take C, 7 times C becomes 2.1 minus 7A divided by 9. So this becomes 2.4 minus 5A divided by 9. I think we have lost this. We have to actually check the calculation here. I think there seems to be some mistake here. So what we can do is, so after we have found C is equal to 0.3 minus A, let's put it here. So then this becomes 3A plus 2B plus C is 0.3 minus A. Alright, so we had put what we had to, so we had done 3A minus 2A minus 2C is equal to 0.6. So that's the mistake. So that's the mistake. We have found out the problem here. The problem is, so if you actually subtract it, here becomes 2A minus 2C is equal to 0.6. So therefore A becomes C plus 0.3. Okay. See, error at any of these steps will express itself. How? It will give you errors. It will give you values that will not reduce to simpler values. Okay, that's one way of checking whether you are going on the right track or not. So here if you see that A becomes equal to C plus 0.3, Now you can put it here. So this becomes 3a plus 2b plus c is equal to, so a is equal to c plus 0.3 and c is equal to a minus 0.3. so if you put c is equal to a minus 0.3 so this becomes 4a plus 2b is equal to 2.1. now similarly we have to find out b, so b becomes 1.05 minus 2a, right? So that is b for you. Now we have to take b and c in the ratio 2:7 for making d. So let's take b and c in the ratio 2:7. So this becomes 2.1 minus 4a plus 7 times a minus 2.1 divided by 9. So this becomes 2.1 gets cancelled here. This becomes 3a by 9. So it becomes a by 3. So the strength of D with respect to A is 1/3. I hope this is clear to you. So we have to do this calculation a little faster. The only thing that we have to note is that yes, this can be considered to be a slightly lengthy question as compared to the other questions in the paper, and taking 1 minute to solve this is all right. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Let's move on and see the next question.